Hi, now let's look at this problem. If x raised to the power of half plus x raised to the power of 1 over 4 equals to 12, find x. Now, how do you solve this problem? Now, the first thing is so now we just adjust this. Now, this is the same thing as x raised to the power of 1 over 4 raised to the power of 2. Okay, such that when you use this to multiply this, you have half. So 1 over 4 times 2 is 1 over 2. So plus x raised to the power of 1 over 4 equals to 12. All right, so you say let p be equals to x raised to the power of 1 over 4. So if we have that, so this equation turns to p raised to the power of 2 plus p equals to 12. All right, so now let's move this one here. So we have p squared plus p minus 12 equals to 0. This is a quadratic equation we solve. So you do for two numbers such that the addition will give you 1 and the multiplication give you minus 12. So the two numbers are plus 4 and minus 3. So this turns to p squared minus 3p plus 4p minus 12 equals to 0. Now you can see the middle terms here. So when you add this and this together, you have plus p. Minus 3p plus 4p gives you 1p. All right, so now look for the common factor here. So the common factor here is p. So when you divide this by p, you have p. Divide minus 3p by p, you have minus 3. Now here, the common factor here is 4. So divide 4p by 4, you have what? You have p. Divide this by 4, you have minus 3 equals to 0. Okay, so the common factor in these two terms is p minus 3. So you factor that out, you have p minus 3. So now this and this, you put them in bracket, you have p plus 4 equals to 0. Now, so we have two terms now, multiplying each other to get 0. So it's either this is 0, p minus 3 is 0, or p plus 4 equals to 0. You get that? So you have p equals to 3 or p equals to minus 4. Right? So now p is the same thing as what? X raised to the power of 1 over 4. So now let's substitute. We have x raised to the power of 1 over 4 equals to 3 or x raised to the power of 1 over 4 equals to minus 4. All right, so here you multiply the powers by 4. So you multiply this by 4 and this by 4. So you have x raised to the power of 1 over 4 raised to the power of 4 equals to 3 raised to the power of 4. All right, so 4 cancel 4. You have x equals to, now 3 times 3 times 3. That is 81. All right, now look at this second one. So you cannot have an even root giving you a negative number. So that means we discard this. So the solution to this problem is x equals to 81. Thank you for watching.